Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to compare two columns in Microsoft Excel. So if you are a Microsoft Excel user and you want to compare two columns, okay, so you can easily compare two columns. Whether you are a manager in sales company or you are a businessman, you need to know this trick to compare columns. Okay, so here you will see I have a list January customer and February customer with investment. And so if I want duplicates, I want to know which is duplicates and which is the repeated customer. So what I have to do, you have to just select this one, okay, this sheet, then press control. If you are using Windows, you have to press control, and if you are using Mac, you have to press command. Okay, then again select this one, and here you will see, go to home, and here you will see conditional formatting. You have to click on it, and here you will see highlight cells rule, then go to duplicate values. Okay, then here if you want to find duplicates, just you have to click on OK. So here you will see duplicates. Okay, now again, if you want to difference, okay, no differences, not duplicated, difference, okay, person name. So again you have to just select both of them, then go to highlight cell rules, go to duplicates, and then here you will see duplicates and unique. Just click on unique. You can also change color from here. So I want to change from yellow to dark. You can also custom format. Okay, change custom. Okay, so now click on OK. So like this you can see that these are the unique and these are the repeated customers. Okay, so it is for the same sheet. Okay,